Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. So without any further delay, let's get started. For example, if I am having issues logging into my Messenger, there are several things to be considered before we completely reset our password. First of all, we will check whether our internet connection is strong enough to run the app. To do that, just go into your phone settings and go to network and internet. Here you have to toggle the Wi-Fi off, and in doing so, we can only use the mobile data, which is faster, so we can use the app and log in the way quicker. So if it doesn't fix your issue, the next step you could take is to make sure that your app is up to date. To do that, you simply have to exit the settings and go to the Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to search for Messenger. Once you are on this page, then at the right of the Messenger you will either says open or update. If it says update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible. There might be just an issue or a Messenger simply won't function until it's entirely up to date. It should work flawlessly even when that has already been updated. But if unfortunately it's still not functioning properly, the next step is to clear the app data and cache. For this purpose, you have to go to your phone settings, and here you have to scroll down and go to app. In the apps, you simply have to search for Messenger. Once you are on the Messenger, there you can see the option of storage and cache. You simply have to tap on this, and then you have to choose storage and simply select to clear the app data from the screen. However, clearing the app data would also delete all of your Messenger content from your phone, such as images, videos, or other media. Anything you sent or receive will be deleted from your phone. So if you are still having trouble logging into your Messenger account, it might be possible that the username, password, or both are incorrect. You need to reset them. So simply choose forgotten password and fill in the account's phone number or email address, and it will send a code to your email address, and then you can reset your Messenger password. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.